Catherine Bernardo update. Yan, gym day ngayon ni Catherine. Yan, kasama niya mga ka-gymmates niya. Yung bago niya mga kaibigan. Yan, ang cute pa nga ni Catherine. Oh. Yan, may pinag-aandaan si Catherine. Kaya lalong sumisexy. Masaya pa nga na usapan nila. Oh. After nilang mag-workout. Nag-spray pa nga si Catherine.
Hello. I am so happy because finally I'm trying out Ivy Clinic's newest machine for skin tightening, face contouring, and skin lifting. This is the Ivy Axion. I remember Doc Ivy told me about this a few weeks ago, and finally nandito na yung machine. This is my first time trying it. So we're doing this side now. I can feel na it's the heat, parang it's more intense, but very tolerable pa rin. They can adjust the setting depending on you. I'm so happy. Anything for tightening and contouring, yan game ako dyan. I'm just sharing my experience with you, and I hope you guys can try it too next time you visit.
Ito pa yung abangan kay Catherine. Sa June 30, 9 p.m, the watch party ng Colgate with Catherine. Sa YouTube ni Catherine na Everyday Cup. At ito pa yung IG story ng Bernardo Cat Stars. Ano kaya meron sa June 29, 7 p.m. Sabi dito, is going to be an extreme moment. So proud of this. Tapos grabe ka na July, di na namin alam paano kumalma. Huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang with your reaction vlog. Bye guys, team for watching.